In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move your Google Drive files to an external hard drive using a computer. We'll use Google Drive for desktop so your files live on the external drive while staying synced with the cloud. Start by plugging your external hard drive into your computer. Give it a moment to mount and make sure your system can see it and that it has enough free space for your drive content. A direct USB connection is best for speed and reliability. Next, open your web browser and go to google.com/drive/download. This page provides the Google Drive for Desktop app. Download the installer for your operating system, then run it and complete the installation by following the on-screen prompts. When the installation finishes, open Google Drive for Desktop. You can find it in your applications list or by searching your computer. Sign in with your Google account to connect the app to your drive. If you use extra verification, complete that as prompted. Look for the Google Drive icon in your system tray on Windows or the menu bar on Mac. Click it to open the panel, then click the gear icon and choose Preferences. In the Google Drive section, select Mirror Files. Mirroring keeps a full copy of your drive on your computer, so everything is available offline, while still syncing changes to the cloud. This is exactly what we want for an external drive. Now click Change Folder Location. In the file picker, navigate to your external hard drive and select a folder inside it where you want your Google Drive content to live. Using a dedicated folder keeps things organized and avoids mixing with other files. Once you've highlighted the folder, click Select Folder, then click Save to confirm. Google Drive will now start downloading and storing all your drive files to that location on the external hard drive. The initial sync can take a while depending on your library size and internet speed. Keep your computer awake, leave the app running, and avoid disconnecting the drive until the process completes. You can check progress anytime by clicking the Google Drive icon. Going forward, as long as the external drive is connected, your files will stay mirrored there, and any changes will sync automatically. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.